Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss in accounting the users of accounting information. Okay, and why the users need these accounting information. Okay, or you can say the parties who are interested in accounting information. So it can be classified in two types. That is the internal users, okay, and the external users. So first of all, we'll discuss the internal users. So internal users are the persons who have a direct interest in the business enterprise, such as owners and management. Okay, so internal users means the users of accounting information which are directly concerning with the business. Like owners are actually they are directly connected with the business. They run the business. They are the owners, so they run the business. So owners or present investors contribute capital in the business. So first of all, देखिए, because they are the owners, they have started the business, they have invested in their business. So first of all, they would like to know about their profit. They have invested in the business means they will definitely want to know that their business is getting profit or it is running in loss. So to know the profit and loss, they need some accounting information. You know that profit and loss account provides about the profit or loss for a particular period, that is from 1st April to 31st March. So owners, they want to know why, because they have invested their money in the business. Okay. Next one is management. Management needs accounting information for efficient and smooth running of the business enterprise. Management has to make the plans for smooth running of the business. Management has to organize the business. Management has to control the business, and management has to direct the business. All the resources like man, money, material, machine, all the resources are arranged by the management, and all the decisions are taken by the management. How they take the decision? They take the decision on the basis of accounting information, the information which is being provided by the accounting. So on the basis of this information, they take some decisions. When they plan, they need accounting information. So it is very important for management to study the accounting information. That's why they require accounting information. So basically, these are the two internal users. They need accounting information. First is the investors, or you can say the owners, and the second one is the management. Okay. Now external users. So individual or organizations who have a present or future interest in the business enterprise but are not a part of management are called external users of accounting information. Means they are not directly linked with the business. They are not directly connected with the business. That's why they are called the external users. So some external users are given here. First is potential investor. Potential investor means a person who is so efficient to invest in the business. He has some money and wants to invest in the business. He is not already invested in that business, but he wants to invest his money in that business. That is potential. उसके अंदर potentiality है invest करने की. That's why it's called potential investor. ठीक है. For example, those who want to invest. Okay. So the first question is, why an investor invest in a particular business? तो obviously आप ही कहीं invest करेंगे तो first of all you would like to know कि मैं जहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ that business is good for me or not, है ना? And how will you know that the business is good for you or you're not? So you will know by studying the accounting information. That's why they need accounting information. First of all, they study the business by studying the accounting information, and after that, if they are satisfied that their money is safe, है ना? So they will invest in that business. Then short-term creditors. For example, suppliers of goods and services on credit. Short-term creditors means we are doing a business. we need some raw material, and when we purchase the raw material, we are purchasing our raw material from a person, and we are not paying anything to that person, and but we have promised to pay after a particular time, say 2 months or 3 months. That's why they are called the short-term investors. So they are called creators. We have to pay to them. Okay. The big question is why a person will sell his goods to us on credit. हम अगर किसी से खरीदेंगे goods तो वो हमें उधार क्यों देगा? Okay. तो he will sell definitely first of all he will study our business, है ना, our accounting information. If he is satisfied कि भाई मैं अपना पैसा यहाँ पर इनको अपना on credit goods sell कर रहा हूँ और after a particular time I will get my money back, so definitely he will provide some raw material. Okay, so for this he will study accounting information. Next is long-term creditors such as financial institutions. Long-term creditors means the you can say the investor who has invested our business for a long period of time. They want to judge whether their principal and the interest thereof will be repaid when the due, and whether they should extend, maintain, or restrict the long-term loans to the enterprise. Everybody wants to earn some money. So the long-term investor, when they provide loans to the business, they earn interest from their loan for a long period of time. So that's why they are called long-term investors, long-term creditors. So why they will invest in the business? Obviously they want to earn some interest, and if they study accounting information and they can easily know about the position of the business, if the position of the business is good, then they can easily provide the long-term investments. Okay, so that's why they require some accounting information. Next is employees. देखिए, employees are a very important assets for the business. Every employee wants to grow, to develop. The employee wants their salary to be increased. They want some bonus. So how they will know that their business is running in profit? So they will study the accounting information because accounting information always provide the correct position of the business, correct financial. You can when they study the balance sheet, they can easily know about the correct financial position of the business, because business, if an employee, suppose he wants that his salary must be increased and the business is getting continuously profit, so definitely they will raise his voice for getting his salary increased. Then tax authorities, obviously government wants to know about a business financial position. If the business is getting profit, then the business has to pay more tax. So government study this accounting information, needs the accounting information for calculation of tax. Then government and their agencies need information from policies relating to taxation, allocation of resources, and providing subsidies, etc. Because government has to not only tax, government has to do some more for the business actually, and if they study the accounting information, they can plan for this accordingly. Next is social responsibility groups such as environmental protection group. So the responsibility, the main motive of the social responsibility groups, is to keep the society safe from the from the business. Okay, कभी business कुछ किसी तरह से harmful हो जाता है society के लिए, तो for this harm, these social responsibility groups, they escape society from the business. So they need information on the impact on environment and steps taken by the enterprise for the protection of environment. Next is public. An enterprise affects the public in a variety of ways, such as a provider of employment, provider of amenities in the locality, and being the customer to local suppliers, Hence, the public are large interested in knowing the future plans of the enterprise. Okay, because basically is actually employment generation, and obviously if the public is using the product of the company, so public is interested in knowing the knowing the information of the accounting. Then competitors, obviously competitors, they are the competitors now, they use the accounting information for the competitiveness. So they want information on the relative strengths and weakness of the enterprise for making comparisons. Okay, so these are the these are the accounting users, the users of accounting information. तो इसको आप अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा, and if you have any query, तो you can send questions to me. Thank you.